Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video today we are going to learn about how to make door in AutoCAD. Firstly, let me show you there are two doors, that is this is main door and other normal door. Let us check. Main door is 4 feet and other door are of 3 feet. So let's make main door of 4 feet. Then we are going to make door by using first by using rectangle REC space, click to the point and 2 comma 3, then it will be a rectangle of 2 by 3 inch. Let's now we have to make door which is of 4 feet, so let's make a line and then we will make half portion of that door and we will mirror that, so it will be a complete 4 feet main door. So at first take a command L, then draw line L of 2 feet from this point and space. Look, this line is of 2 feet. Again from this bottom point to upward, let's again take 2 feet line and then move to then connect this point and this point by using arc, where we have to take start in direction. Then we can see by clicking over here like this. Now for this it is of 2 feet. Now let's make mirror of this image by using option MI mirror, then it will be in the form of main door. Click no, it will remain as it is previous figure. Now delete this two line and click this line and click over here and push to upward and offset 1 inch or 2 inch, it is not compulsory. You can make of any inch and connect these two lines. Again command L, connect these two lines and our main door is ready. Now we can see this is main door. Now it will be good if we will make block. For making block we have to click like from bottom to upward like this, and for block command B is used, where B space, then we can write anything and okay, it will be in the form of block. If we will click anywhere, then it will be selected. Then we have to, then this main door is ready. Now we have to shift this. Let's rotate this image. For rotating, let's take command RO. Then we have to make the main door in this form. Select this image, move. For move command M is used and click to this point. I will off my auto mode and I will here. Now look, our main door is ready. Similarly, for 3 feet door we will do same as we have done before. Door which will be of 3 feet. For starting the door of 3 feet, we will make first rectangle which will be of 2 comma 3 inch, 2 by 3 inch rectangle, and then draw a line L from this point to the right, 3 feet line. Then let's shift this by using P, sorry, copy command, and selecting to the one point, I will draw a line L from bottom point to the upward, which will be of 2 feet tall, and then let's join this point in and that point in by using arc, which we have to select start in direction, then from here to here I will offset 1 inch. Okay, now L space, we have to trim this, or we can simply click on this line and drag it from here to upward. Now let's delete this, it is ready. Guys, now we have to make block B space, we can click anything, and then we are going to shift this to here. For this we have to rotate space, then it will be ready. Now we are going to shift from here to the door point. Okay, over here, look, it has been fitted. Now it fits nicely and main door looks nice. So for this, now today we have learned how to make door, which is main door and normal door. Now for tomorrow I will teach how to make window and staircase. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.